open PicsArt app. Now tap on plus icon. Now select backgrounds. Now select the white color, third one. First step, tap on tools. Select the crop. Now select the portrait option. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to FX. Select the simple option. Now have to scroll to the left and select the Lomo option. Now tap on settings and decrease the amount to 0 and vignette to 0. Now fade it to around 20. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, you have to go to add photo and select the PNGs one by one. Friends, this is a frame PNG. Simply stretch out like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, you have to go to add photo and select the model image. This is a model image. First step, you have to go to adjust. Now tap on saturation and decrease it to -100. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, you have to go to opacity and decrease the opacity little bit. Now you have to arrange it perfectly in this portion here. Perfect. Now tap on eraser. Tap on erase and keep the size to 100 and decrease the opacity and decrease the hardness. Now you have to erase the down portion like this. You have to arrange perfectly. Now tap on tick mark and you have to again arrange in it portion like this. Now tap on text. I am going to write 7.3. Okay, you have to type 7.3. Now tap on done. Tap on tick. Now you have to select this up arrow. Now select the my fonts and you have to select the bold finger font. I will give this font link in the description. Now you have to simply stretch out and arrange here. Now tap on color and you have to tap on color and you have to select the orange color like this. Now tap on tick mark. In the next step, you have to go to text and write the 7.3 in the word form. Tap on text. Tap on 7. Okay. Now tap on done. Tap on tick. Now you have to arrange the 7 in this portion here perfectly. Perfect, and keep the 7.3 here. Now again tap on text and write the 3 in the word form. THRE. I will give this font link in the description and number link in the description. Now tap on tick. Now select the color and you have to select this gray color and you have to keep this 3 in this portion here. Okay, you have to keep this here. Perfect. And you have to decrease this 7.3 also. Arrange perfectly here. The next step, you have to go to add photo and select the standing pose model image. You have to simply stretch it and you have to arrange this in this portion perfectly here. And you have to give the realistic look. For this, you have to simply adjust in this portion here perfectly. Now tap on shadow. Now select the position and as usual keep it 100 and as well as 100. Now tap on adjust and keep this 100 and decrease it to around 50. Perfect. Now go to add photo and select the further PNGs. First I am going to arrange this perfectly here. The next step, we have to bring the shadow below the foot and tap on layers and tap on move down. Perfect. Simply stretch little down. It is perfect. And you have to tap on tick mark. And next step, you have to go to brushes and you have to tap on fourth one and scroll up. And you have to select these stars. Okay, tap on stars. Keep the size like this and you have to tap here as well as tap here. It is perfect. Friends, next step, you have to go to tools, tap on adjust and increase this saturation little bit and give little clarity, and you have to decrease little shadow, give little temperature. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special lucky number photo editing tutorial is completed. You can keep whatever number you want. I will give font links in the description. Okay, now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.